Welcome to Kognitos. Today, we're going to show a simple demo that is still a big problem for many companies, and that is handling different spreadsheets that may have different columns and need to be merged. You'll notice here we have two different spreadsheets simulating a retail type environment. And you'll notice they have some similar columns, but not the exact same, which could break traditional automations. So here we have one column called department, and in the other spreadsheet, department ID. Another example is here we have visual indicators. And in this spreadsheet, we don't have visual indicators. We do have opening hours. So we are going to now show a process built in English that will handle this situation. You'll notice we have a simple process written in English that anyone can understand. We're asking it to create a merged spreadsheet. We're actually asking it to also create a new column. And then lastly, we're saying, please use these as similar columns, so basically merge those two columns, and then ignore some other columns. It will merge a spreadsheet and then email it to drayton@kognitos.com. So let's go in and take a look. Here we have this simple process, and you notice we haven't provided it with the actual files. So in this case, it threw an exception. It created a sentence in English to communicate with the business user as a part of our conversational exception handling, and enables me to very easily solve this. So I'm going to provide it with two different files that it will then take and merge to move forward. You could also use this same process with an email trigger. So emails coming in with different spreadsheets throughout the week that are then merged based on the logic you provide Kognitos. You'll notice all the logic is also provided in English, so anyone can go back later if needed and try to understand what was done, and you have that full auditability and trace from there. So if we go into our email, we should see an email sent. Sure enough, we have that merged spreadsheet, and you'll notice earlier I mentioned department and department ID that has been merged into a single column new department, and a new column entirely DEPT with some of the categories was created here.